Now go.
Thanks for that, Austin. Aloha, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to PhotoLukeHawaii for your weekly Hawaii update. It is Friday, May 29, 2020.
All visitors and returning residents and people moving to Hawaii must do a 14-day mandatory quarantine, which means you have to go to your hotel or place of residence and you can't leave there for 14 days. You can get food by room service or getting takeout delivered to you, or having some kind of grocery service delivered to you. Please show aloha and be moral. If you have no intention of doing the 14-day mandatory quarantine, do not come. Whether if you believe in what's going on or not, the law is the law. What kind of person would come with the intention of breaking the law? I promise there will be an end to this. You just have to be patient. Always practice social distancing. This means staying 6 feet apart from other people. You must be wearing a mask into any businesses, buildings, food places, shopping areas, while on the bus or shuttles or taxis. The only exception would be the banks. Bring your mask with you to the banks, but do not wear it into the bank. You probably need to show your face in the bank and maybe to the teller. But while you're standing in line, maybe you can wear the mask. It depends on the bank. If in doubt, just ask the security guard or a bank employee.
Malls, shopping centers, salons, tattoo shops, and many other businesses have the opportunity to open or will be opening in the next couple of weeks, with new health and safety guidelines in place. Always wear a mask when going into malls, shopping centers, and stores, and practice social distancing.
Entertainment and places of interest are starting to reopen again. I believe Wet and Wild Water Park reopened today, while other places like the Honolulu Zoo will be opening soon. I believe on the Big Island, they're going to open movie theaters. I'm not sure how that's going to work. Botanical gardens have been open, and there will be many other places of interest and entertainment venues that will be reopening sometime soon.
Parks are open for walking, jogging, running, and biking, but you still can't sit down, lay down, picnic, or barbecue, play sports or use playgrounds, and public exercise equipment.
We haven't seen it open yet personally, but I believe tennis courts are open or will be opening soon. Beaches are still open for sitting down, lying down, picnicking, swimming, surfing, but you must practice social distancing and you cannot gather in groups larger than 10 people.
Many people are still working at home, with the safer at home work from home extended until June 30, 2020. Most schools have just finished their school year, and virtual graduations are still going on. Congratulations to Jazz, Salvador, and all the other 2020 graduates.
Yay, congratulations!
Yay!
Please support and watch what was Mele in the Hale is now Mele in Hawaii on Saturday, May 30th, 2020 at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. This episode will be hosted by Makena Maduli, featuring Havane Rios, Glenn of Maoli, Josh Tatofi, and Kimi A. Minor. If you love Hawaiian music, this is your way of watching live Hawaiian music and show your appreciation to them by donating to them if you can. You can go to hakuhawaii.com for more information and to watch on Facebook or YouTube. The links are down below, or you can go to hakuhawaii.com for the links.
Don't forget, if you need some Hawaiian music to get through your day, check out our Hawaiian music playlist. The link is down below.
And don't forget to use the shuffle option if you want a variety. Support lonomusic.com. Lono is an awesome Hawaiian music artist from Molokai, and he's been so generous in letting us use his music on our videos. If you can check out his website, listen to his music, and maybe buy a CD, that'll be awesome. Thank you, Lono. Lonomusic.com. The link will be down below. If you like walking videos with commentary, please check out our friend at City Walks on YouTube. He goes all around the world and the mainland USA. He does these walks, and he's so informative about the areas that he's walking in. I enjoy watching his videos when I get a chance to. Hope you can check him out and support him. CD Walks on YouTube. The link will be down below.
If you want to see what a family does on trips, or if you like bone dance, or if you want to know what bone dance is, please head over to our second channel, PhotoLukeHawaii Travels and Bone Dance, and subscribe to us there.
Thanks to Clinton at Shock Dogs Designs Hawaii for our awesome PhotoLukeHawaii shirts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video. Did I say every time? Don't forget to check out our Patreon page. If you want to help us out a little bit more, the link is down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Malama pono.
Which means take care.
Ahui ho.
Which means till next time.
Aloha. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Be safe. We have one.
Don't forget.
Don't.
Do you